Hello YouTubers, this is GGI Tech 16 and today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your RAM of a MacBook White 2010. So first we are going to need a screwdriver named Phillips 000 and turn off your Mac and flip it over. First screw off the screws and start in the corners. Be careful to not lose the screws because they're really little, and pay attention because they are easy to swipe. Once we removed all the screws, you can lift off the back panel. So I'm going to use a Kingston 2GB TDR3. I have two of them, so that means I will put in 4GB of RAM. Standard in this Mac there are two chips of 1GB RAM, so that means there's 2GB of RAMs. Simply just click on the two buttons like you see on the video and lift up and just pick it out, the RAM. After that you take the other two RAM chips and simply just push them in. And then push down. So that you take the second one and push it in. Make sure that you can't see the golden pins, because then that means that it's not good secured. Like here it's not good. So reopen it and push a little bit. So after you've done that, you can simply just pop on the back panel up and screw the screws in. After that you just power on your MacBook and you will have 4 gigs of RAM. So this was my how-to video, I hope you liked it, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.